Well guys, welcome back. If we have a look over my right shoulder here, here's a project that I got underway recently. Hopefully you guys had a chance to check out that video. What we're looking at is what I'm going to call my toy shed. All this lumber here was what I got accomplished last day. All this lumber here has been cut on my sawmill from logs on my property here. What we're looking at here is just the layout, just the framing for the floor. Today what we're going to do is we're not going to do any nailing of boards, but we're going to go cut those boards. I got to go out to the sawmill today to get the lumber in order to make floorboards. Before we go there though, let's talk about what we've got accomplished thus far. And if we zoom over here to the right side, you can see we have a series of beams, and hanging off the beams are the floor joists. So we got those on last time, and we attached those floor joists flush with these beams using these hanger brackets. So we wanted to keep the floor nice and low so that I can put my toys up here. And when I say toys, I'm talking about things like the ATV, golf cart, snowmobile, etc., etc. Wanted the floor nice and low, so we used hanger brackets to keep those floor joists flush with the top of those beams. You'll also notice here we have a bit of a level change. So we have one level here, and then we have another level here. The reason that is the case is because there's a little bit of a hill, and I wanted to keep this platform nice and low. Last day we also went ahead and put all the bridging in, and if you're wondering what a bridge is, it's not what you're thinking. It's these small pieces right here, and these small pieces, as you can see, they go in between all the floor joists, and it really adds some strength. One last thing I'm going to talk about before we go out and actually cut some floorboards at the sawmill is the orientation of the floor joists. You guys can see they're running the length of the building here. The reason they're running this way is so when I lay floorboards down, I can run the floorboards this way. That way the floorboards don't have to meet up and butt up over top of floor joists as you would have seen me do in previous videos. Instead, I can just cut one single floorboard, which will run the full width of the building, and then I'll go back afterwards, chalk a line, and cut them all off at once. You guys will see what I'm talking about eventually, but I can tell you this. By running the floor joist this way and having my floorboards run this way, it's going to save me a heck of a lot of work. Glad you guys are all here. Let's stop talking, head on out to the sawmill, and we'll make some dust. Here we go. Well, it is pretty much time for us to throw on this stuff because the bugs are absolutely horrendous. I'm out here fighting off the mosquitoes and the black flies, and soon to be the deer flies and the horse flies with that stuff right there, the DEET, the DEET, and hopefully that does the trick. Make sure I don't miss a spot or I'll pay the price. Yuck. I know this might seem a little overkill, but trust me, you need it. They get in under your hair and they bite you on the inside of the ears, and just miserable. But we're out here. I'm about to fire up the sawmill. I put a fresh blade on, and we got to make some 1x material. That's the deck boards I'm going to go for. I got a whole bunch of offcuts here, or I guess they're not really offcuts. They're 1x material that I got to trim the edges on, so I think that's what we're going to start with. And then we'll see where we end up. Here we go. Well guys, just having a little look-see in the trailer, I would say I'm just about ready to go and head back up to the toy shed so I can start thinking about getting the floorboards down. You guys saw me wrangling up my sawmill there today, making some dust and doing some things I haven't done before, and that included putting two small logs side by side and cutting them at the same time. I just got thinking back to a comment one of you guys made a while back, and I thought, you know what, why not try it right now? So I did it, and as you can see, it worked out just fine. Anyways, I got a whole bunch of cleanup to do out here once I'm done that toy shed. You guys saw me pushing a broom. Well, I got to get back out here because I got a heck of a lot of this stuff around and I don't want to be pushing a broom for too long, so I'll get the blower for that. Other things you'll probably see coming down the pipe is I've got logs still in the bush that I got to get out of here and load up on my log deck. As you can see, we're starting to get a bit light in the log deck department, so we'll get those logs out of the bush up there, and then when I need more lumber, whether it's for my toy shed project or other projects, I'll have it ready to go. Anyways guys, I appreciate you joining me. Today was a great day out here. The weather's beautiful. Despite the fact that the bugs are here, I can't think of a lot of other places I'd rather be. So make sure, if you haven't done so already, check out the first video in the playlist of that toy shed. I think it's going to be a good one. You guys all take care out there, be well, get out, enjoy the sun, make some dust, and I'll see you next time.